Let's now connect with Kapil Agarwal, Joint Managing Director of UFO Movies, who joins us live to talk about, and he's going to walk us through the quarterly numbers. Kapil, good morning. Thank you for joining us. PAT has grown smartly. Do you think you will be able to sustain it?
Absolutely. I think the effect of demonetization is behind us now, which actually troubled us for almost 1.5 quarters. The entire second half of Q3 and the whole of Q4 was actually wiped out. But now we are seeing that wading away, and I think the momentum will be maintained now.
What drove your EBITDA margins in Q4? I'm just trying to understand that. Is this base effect or the fact that you're recovering from demonetization and suddenly there is a bump up?
No, EBITDA, I think still we have delivered almost a 31% EBITDA for the year, and actually last quarter has been 31.5%. So, and we have been operating between 31 to 35%, 34% EBITDA margin for last 3 or 4 years constantly. Now this EBITDA is after actually taking into account the losses that we had in our new business, which was Caravan Cinema. So now that also we are seeing wading away this year. So I think EBITDA margins will smartly move up in the current year.
What about ad revenue growth as well, Mr. Agarwal? Would you say that that was hurt by demonetization and reflecting in the quarterly performance?
Certainly, substantially actually. In fact, our H1 last year was 29.4% growth. The first 40 days of the quarter before the demonetization happened, we saw almost 50% growth. And the second half of the quarter, the Q3, was negative 22%, which is now weighted down to only 3.8% negative in the last quarter. So definitely, that effect is going away, and the ad revenue should grow very well this year.
Dividend payout has to be more. Why all the fund managers who invested in your stock keep on reminding me that your dividend payout is low and you need to work on that?
Well, we have given 100% dividend, and 53% of our PAT we have distributed as dividend. 53%. Last year it was only 40%, including the dividend distribution tax. So what more does one expect? I am actually surprised if somebody says that the dividend payout is low. And you look around in the industry, I mean the dividend payout as a percentage of the market price, it is one of the highest in the industry.
Capital allocation policy, what will be a capital allocation policy for FY18?
Capital allocation, we have been talking year after year. We are actually out of the capex cycle now. So now going forward.
Right. Mr. Agarwal, actually we'll let you go on that note. There seems to be a bit of an audio issue which we will not be able to fix in time for the IRB infrastructure as well interview. Just scrambling through time today. There are just so many things happening. That's UFO Movies.